welcome to another video. And today I'll use Cantonese to speak. And if you don't know what is Cantonese, is what is China's traditional speaking method. Not Mandarin, not Chinese, is Cantonese. I'm actually from Hong Kong, so I know how to speak it. Or Mandarin, because I don't know. Okay, let's just skip to rifles. The Cantonese will start now, and maybe I will talk a little bit of English. Yeah. OK， 我哋就一齊玩威服啫。個新聞 update 就喺度咯喎。OK 啦，我哋打一場 2v2 先。我哋去一個 shooting range 啦。OK。OK。If you think my mic is little bit off, please comment and please like and subscribe. What the hell? Nah, this cannot be happening. 喂啊，呢個 server 突然之間咁㗎，唉，又唔係 server restart，快啲入去啦。好，我唔記得咗加咗 Posy 好友啊。OK。2v2 好似頭先咁樣 2v2s。But I already redeemed the bonus. OK， 同我快啲 teleport 過去。OK， 準備打一場係 RPG 雙管，跟住就小刀加埋冰槍。RPG daggers， 包桑，and 飛水。Oh, cut the knife. Why West Hand? Nah. And out with a level 14. Okay. RPG daggers, knife, and fisher. Yeah. Okay, we're doomed. We're literally doomed. Okay, well, that's easy, I guess. Okay, I shoot the one people. Okay. Okay, someone using only knife. The knife combo. So do I shoot bro first or? Okay, now go time. Pang! RPG freeze. Let me freeze someone, bruh. Okay. Do I need to rip a flamethrower? Okay, maybe I need to rip out the flamethrower. Or maybe not, because I don't want to. Okay. Oh, why the boy shorty? Okay. Hey, boy, still using flamethrower. Okay. If you use flamethrower, I'm gonna use flamethrower. Yeah, shoot, bro. Use AK. Use AR, bro. Shoot, bro. Shoot, bro. Yeah, bro. Okay. He's still doing more damage than me, bro. Okay. This will be easy. This way. Wait, what? The bow just use minigun. Oh, the bow maybe have the heavy duty bundle. But because this, for it says we both got one death and six. I got six and Book got four. Nah, bro, how does bro? Oh, yeah. If you're enjoying this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.